Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. If your Google Chrome browser is constantly crashing and displaying the status invalid image hash error, it usually indicates a severe conflict between Chrome's internal security features and your system's hardware or third-party antivirus software. I will show you exactly how to bypass this block right now. Let's get started. First, we can bypass the security check that is causing the browser to crash by adding the specific command to your Chrome launch shortcut. Right-click on your Google Chrome desktop icon and select Properties from the menu. Make sure you are on the Shortcut tab and locate the text box labeled Target. Click at the very end of that text string. Press the spacebar once to create a gap, and then type in or paste this exact command. --disable-features equals renderer code integrity. Once you have added that to the end, click Apply and then OK. When you use this modified shortcut to launch your browser, Chrome will skip the integrity check that was triggering the error, allowing your pages to load immediately. Next, if the shortcut trick did not work, there is a very famous workaround that involves tricking the Windows operating system by renaming the core application file. Open your File Explorer and navigate to your C drive, then Program Files, then Google, and finally into the Chrome application folder. Locate the file named chrome.exe, right-click it, and select Rename. You can change the name to something simple like this: chrome_fix.exe. After you press Enter to save the new name, right-click your renamed file and select Send to Desktop to create a new shortcut. This simple change often bypasses the security flags associated with the original file name, resolving the crash instantly. Finally, for a deeper system-level fix, we can try disabling the renderer policy directly within the Windows registry. Please note that this is a legacy fix that works best on older versions of Chrome or managed enterprise systems. Click your Windows Start menu, type the letters CMD, and right-click on the command prompt to run as administrator. Inside the black window, carefully type in this entire command string and press Enter. reg space add space quote HKLM \software \policies \Google \Chrome quote space /v space renderer code integrity enabled space /t space reg_d word space /d space 0. Once the command processes successfully, restart your computer to ensure the new registry key is fully active. This will prevent the browser from trying to verify image hashes that were clashing with your antivirus software. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.